All right, guys, welcome to AutoChimp Electronics. Going to just show you this today. This is the new 4-pin to RCA adapter that's going to come on all our cameras. It is available now and shipping in all our cameras. So all our cameras now are going to be simpler and easier to install. You're just going to mount the camera at the rear. It's going to come through here. There's going to be a waterproof connector so you can replace the camera. Should it ever break, you can replace it. Run it all the way to the front. It's going to be a 4-pin adapter here. So this disconnects and this is the easy way to run it. So it's very small, easy to run in the car. You're not going to get stuck anywhere. And it's going to come out here to power and earth at the front with an RCA output for the video signal. Reason being, all new vehicles have the reverse signal at the front of the car and you can power it up there. There's no need to have all the powers at the rear. This cleans it up. It stops any of the issues of damaged cables and powers running through your vehicle that are going to short. But it's also going to come with this. This is a future update we are releasing. This is a 4-pin adapter that will do all these things in one. And this is going to make all our cameras plug and play if you are using one of our multi-camera kits. Now, this is not available currently, so the current version of the multi-camera is this. You are still going to use the RCA outputs to power extra cameras on the factory screen. You can get power and earth here off our plugs. So that's the current version. This is what we have been working on. This is a new version. The installation of our multi-camera kits is still going to be plug and play, but we are going to make cameras plug and play for you guys. For anyone DIYing, all you're going to have to do is plug that in and that's going to power your cameras. So really easy for you guys out there. You no longer need to work out how to wire power and earth for your cameras. We're going to do all the hard work for you. Again, our multi-camera kits still plug and play to the factory stereos. That is why we are releasing this version of the harness now.